Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Tanti Oktavianti Juwita. Now I'd like to share you about method in teaching listening and speaking. Alright, in teaching and learning activities in class, exactly between teachers and students, they must use a method in delivering lessons, right? So in teaching process, the teacher must use the right method so that the objective or goals of teaching can be achieved. So one of the skills that students must be mastered is listening and speaking. And there are several methods of building a good language for teaching listening and speaking itself. So one of them is audio-lingual method. Alright, so now I will explain more about audio-lingual method. So do you know what is audio-lingual method itself? Alright, audio-lingual method or army method or even NUPI, it is a method used in teaching foreign languages. It is based on behaviorist theory, which postulates that certain traits of living things, and in this case humans, could be trained through a system of reinforcement. Okay, next, audio-lingual method is a method that establishes the problem of listening and speaking before reading and writing. So using dialect as the main form of presentation language and practice as the main training technique of the mother tongue or acquire first language in the classroom. And you should know that audio-lingual method is a method whose implementation focuses on activities of drills, memorize vocabulary, dialect, or even text reading. Okay, next, there are a variety of drills used in audio-lingual method actually. So there are first, repetition, means the students will repeat as loud a voice as possible what they hear. So second, there is inflection. It means one word will emerge from the loop. And the next, replacement. It means one word will be replaced by another word. So next there is restatement. It means students will replace the word people with other people based on the instruction. And the next there is completion. It means students will hear the complete expression except for one word, and then they will repeat the complete form. So the next there is transportation. It means the word or the change when the word is added, right? And the next is expansion. Means when the word is added, it takes place in the sequence. So next there is contraction. It means a single word replaces a phrase or a clause. Next there is transformation. It means sentences can change into negative forms, questions, moods, tenses, sounds, and other else. So the next there is integration drills. It means two expressions in one, right? Two expressions in one. So the next is rejoinder. It means students will make the correct answer to the given expression by the teacher. Alright guys, before we use this method, we should know what is the purposes of this method. Alright, I will tell you what is the purposes of using audio-lingual method in our teaching to teach listening and speaking. Here, there are 6 purposes of using audio-lingual method. The first is to enable students to use the target language communicatively and automatically without stopping to think. Okay. Second, to help students get sentences structure patterns or language. And third, students can understand language well when speaking and can be more responsive to the things that happen around the conversation. So the fourth, students can speak language with correct pronunciation according to the correct grammar. And fifth, students do not find difficulties and are able to understand printed material. And the last, or the sixth, students can write according to the correct standard. Alright guys, let's see how I teach students using audio-lingual method through dialect. Alright class, today I'm going to give you a dialect and I want you to listen me very carefully. Right? I want you to listen me very carefully. Now we have two people who talking each other, right? Now we have two people who talking each other, right? Let's see. Hello Bill. Hello Liz. How are you? I'm fine, thanks. And you? Fine. Where are you going? I'm going to the post office. Okay, listen again. Hello Bill. Hello Liz. How are you? Fine, thanks. And you? Fine. Where are you going? I'm going to the post office. Okay, now repeat after me. Hello, Bill. Hello, Liz. How are you? Fine, thanks. And you? Fine. Where are you going? Fine. Where are you going? Good. I'm going to the post office. I'm going to the post office. I'm going to the post office. Okay, so once more time to repeat me again. Hello, Bill. How are you? Fine, thanks. And you? Fine. Where are you going? Fine. Where are you going? I'm going to the post office. I'm going to the post office. Good. Okay, good. So now I'm Liz, you're Bill. I'm Liz, you're Bill. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Hello, Bill. How are you? Fine. Where are you going? Good. So now I'm Bill, you are Liz. I'm Bill, you are Liz. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Hello, Liz. Fine, thanks. And you? I'm going to the post office. Yeah, good job. Give applause. Alright, that's all my teaching simulation about teaching, listening, and speaking using audiolingual method. Thank you very much for your nice attention. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.